One previous owner, originally sold here new, certified factory warranty, and only 24,145 miles. Looking for a top-of-the-line used pickup? Look no further, you won't find a truck with better features or in better shape than this Tundra. I'm honestly a little bit scared of this thing, and I think my parents would love it more than they love me. So please get it off the lot for me. I'll get straight to it though. Comes with all the basics that I won't bore you with, like AC, power package, and tilt wheel. Also included on this piece though is multi-disc CD player, premium sound, Bluetooth wireless, power seats, sliding rear window, running boards, hard-to-know cover, bed liner, custom bumper, towing package, alloy wheels, and wide tires. If you need a truck for business or pleasure, this bad boy was made for you. You really shouldn't pass this opportunity up. For more fantastic inventory and incredibly special buys, visit www.folsomlaketoyota.com.